Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, on these days it's more fun to make analysis videos, yeah, especially if then the forecast is playing out as well. What I mean is the weekend was quite a bit, just boring. It was just a boring weekend, which is fine for me as well, because it can't always be super busy. However, yeah, we are moving in the right direction for Bitcoin. Yeah, so we already saw it coming yesterday with this triangle. And now it played out a move to the upside out of this channel, the so-called bear flag, out of which we now broke again to the upside. Now the third time, we'll see how sustainable that is. If we follow the imminent bullish wave count, we should stay above that for now. Where are we now? Overall, here from the low, again, yeah, for everybody who's new on the channel, we can count a series of fives to the upside. What does that mean? It means 5 wave moves to the upside, which we can count as a wave 1. That is an impulsive wave, which indicates the trend could have changed to the upside from a previous downtrend. We then saw a 3-wave move here in a wave 2. We then can assume we are in this 3rd wave to the upside. That is oftentimes the most bullish wave in an uptrend. Now in the wave 3, as per the Elliott Wave method, you also have 5 waves, and we can count here a wave 1 and the wave 2, and we are now in basically the 3rd subwave of the higher level wave 5, in the higher level wave 3, sorry. Now within this wave 3, we can also count a wave 1 and a wave 2, and this is this one, and we're now in the 3rd wave of the 3rd wave of the 3rd wave. Okay, so these waves, you get waves within waves, and each of these impulsive subwaves has 5 subwaves as well. And therefore, we are currently building up for something here, potentially for an increased, push to the upside. That is at least what the bullish scenario here would suggest. That makes the whole setup quite bullish, if it then plays out as well bullish. Yeah, there is currently no guarantee that the bullish scenario will play out, because this could also, we can count this as well bearish. Yeah, but the Elliott waves can give us price targets in the bullish scenario, and they can tell us at which point does the bullish scenario get less likely. And at the moment we were following very nicely the bullish scenario. The bearish one would assume, just to show it, the bearish scenario would assume that we've done a wave W, X, and we're now in the Y wave, a WXY pattern. There are a few ways of counting this, yeah, but just to show you one scenario. And here a key level is the $25,755 level. If we get above that level, it will make the bearish scenario much less likely. The bearish scenario would imply that either we have already seen the high of the wave Y, or we are going to see it here at 25.7K. Will then reverse down and make a lower low below 17.6K. At the moment, however, as long as the support levels are holding that I indicated in the last videos already, we can focus on higher, because at the moment we are pushing higher. We are following the bullish wave count at the moment, but keep that area in mind here around 25.7K. If we see a strong bearish reaction here, we really need to be on high alert. Okay. But yeah, for now, who would have thought? Yeah, we're breaking out to the upside of this triangle pattern. I posted that yesterday for the gold members on the signals channel, that Bitcoin is in a triangle and it would lead to an impulsive move. Of course, you never know in which direction it is playing out. Therefore, you always need to wait for the breakout. But I gave you the heads up of this scenario, and I believe I also posted a signal. I need to double check of the actual breakout when it happened, and we've reached the target just looking at the triangle height, yeah, which is here. Without using the Elliott waves, you can see that we also reached the target here perfectly, 24.2K. The downside target would have kept us above the 50-day moving average that you can see there in yellow. That could have even taken us all the way down to the 22K level of the green target area. Okay, but the focus was on higher, as I said in all of the previous videos, due to the beginning of the bullish wave count here, after the wave 2 low that we made here in my reversal area. Again, that was also working out nicely. So we reversed in my target area here. We moved up impulsively in a wave 1, we came down in a wave 2, and we can assume we are in the wave 3 in white. Within the wave 3 in white, we've built a wave 1 in yellow, a wave 2 in yellow, and we also formed the wave 3 in yellow. That was the target I gave you earlier today and yesterday. After the videos, we broke out indeed, and we even reached the target perfectly. What was the target? We can look at that again for the wave here in yellow. I think we even did overshoot that. So if I give you a target of the 1.618 extension for a wave 3, that is always the minimum what needs to be achieved, okay? So the minimum was definitely reached. The minimum would have been 23.8K, here the 1.618 extension. But I called out as well the key resistance that the bulls need to get above in the wave X. Now that has not been done yet, we haven't broken that, but to be fair, we reached an extension here, an extension level of the wave 3 of the 2.382. I believe the wave 3 is now done. We're coming down in wave 4. Like half an hour ago or an hour ago, I posted that on Telegram as well, that wave 3 could have peaked. We're coming down now in wave 4. Personally, I wouldn't short this. It's probably too late now anyway, but I wouldn't short it because potentially you're only moving down here to 23.9K. Yeah, so this is the area where we would expect now wave 4 to get into. That is the retracement before I would expect a continuation in a wave 5. I expect the wave 4 usually to be quite shallow. So here minimum requirement would be 23.9K, the 23.6% fib level. I can actually show you that. That's sort of the minimum, that's sort of the minimum you would expect in a wave 3 retracement into wave 4 is here the 23.6% fib level. The ideal level would be 23.7K, and the maximum it should do is 23.5K. Should it go below 23.5, we have to expect a much deeper retracement, because then we cannot count it anymore as a wave 4. It might then just be a wave 2 retracement, which goes deeper, okay? But primarily from the green area here, like we did here, yeah, I would expect the reversal in a wave 5 to the upside to reach wave 3 in white. Now this now has to be an extended target as well for wave 3 in white, because wave 3 in yellow was extended. Well, no, it doesn't necessarily need to be actually, if we look at that. So wave 3 in white, the 1.618 extension here would be suggesting 24.5K as a minimum target for wave 3 in white. Then we would expect a wave 4 in white down, a wave 5 in white up, and then we're already above probably a 25K. Yeah, so that's what we're looking at here at the moment. This is currently perfectly playing out. Important is now to hold, I mean, ideally, yeah, and that would be exactly in the green target range here. Ideally, we want to hold the ascending trend line of that bear flag, okay, because this would then allow us to retest it from above, something that hasn't been done before. Yeah, so here we came down, we basically lost it. Yes, we recovered it, but we did not really do a successful retest of the bear flag from above. Now that could happen this time. Let's see if we are successful. The Elliott Wave target would suggest it. We'll see if we find support here. That would need to be around $23,750. Ideally, we want to find support here and can then set off in a wave 5 increase to the upside. That would be a level important to hold. Other than that, important to hold would be here 23,340, the previous wave 1 high in yellow, and then the wave 2 low in yellow at 22,850. These are the key levels that need to hold to maintain the bullish scenario. If each of them gets broken, yeah, with each level, the imminently bullish scenario gets less likely. I have to tell you, even if we lose all these levels, we can still focus on the bullish overall scenario. It's just that the imminent wave count needs to change, but still, you know, as long as the 20.7K level holds medium term, we can focus on higher prices. Yeah, this is obviously micro counting we're doing here. These often get invalidated. At the moment, we've got a bit of a run here, and it's looking extremely good. Yeah, we are hitting targets at the moment, left, right, and center with those cryptos, because they're adhering very well to the current waves we are riding. And when we're doing that, and when they are working out, it's giving us more confidence in the overall wave count. Okay, that's the update about Bitcoin. So I hope you like the update. Yeah, to support the channel, please leave a like, please also subscribe, leave a comment, and maybe you want to check out the channel membership, where you can get access to the Telegram live chat groups, the Discord server with a lot of additional content. I'm now starting to share all my charts as well on TradingView, so you can access them in view only. I think you can even import them into your own TradingView. All sorts of stuff coming. Yeah, it's growing like crazy. Thanks a lot for all your support. And also make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. For those, you can find the links in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.